In today's video, we are going to learn how an Hlookup function is used. If you guys remember, in the previous video, we had seen how a VLOOKUP function is used. The only difference between Hlookup and VLOOKUP is that Hlookup focuses on rows, whereas VLOOKUP focuses on columns. So column stands for vertical and row stands for horizontal. Okay. Now I've already prepared a set of data. So let's start. In this set of data, I want to know what is the selling rate prevailing in this region, that is West region. Here, I've already prepared a chart with the selling rates against each region. So now, let's start. So the important function here is the region against which, that is my lookup value. Okay. So the formula is equal to Hlookup tab lookup value. Now the lookup value is nothing but the region, because for that particular region I need the selling rate, comma, the table array. Table array is nothing but the range in which you're looking for the value. So my range is nothing but row number 11 and row number 12. Why? Because in row number 11 I have the region for which I'm looking out, and in row number 12 I have the rate against that region. So that is going to be my table array. It is going to be row number 11 and row number 12, comma. Now the rate is in row number 12. In this particular table, row number 12 stands for 2 and row number 11 is 1. So it is going to be 2 bracket close. Since this table is going to remain constant throughout this function, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to freeze this table array. So I'm going to select the entire table array and Control F4. Since the table array is going to remain constant, I'm going to freeze this table array by using Control $. Since the table array is going to repeat the same, I'm just going to freeze that. You can freeze by using the $ symbol. Now I'm just going to copy this formula for the subsequent cells. In this total value, it was nothing but value into the selling rate. If my selling rate changes, my total value will also change. For example, if I put a rate of 7% against South region, so you can see this row automatically gets changed. I hope this video is clear. Thank you.